Hey everyone, my name is Richard from Zappos.com, and today we're looking at duffel number 6 large from Fjällräven. This is made out of a G1000 heavy duty fabric that is really going to give you amazing abrasion resistant performance. It can be carried as a duffel or as a backpack, so you can do it either way, which is really awesome. We're going to have some storage here on the outside of the bag, starting with this little pocket right here on the front. It's got that little button on it, so you can access those grab and go items easily. You're also going to have a name tag right there on this flap on the side, so everybody knows who it belongs to. Now up on the top, we are gonna have that carrying handle, so you just pick it up and go with that. It snaps together like so, which is great. Beneath that, we're gonna have your shoulder straps here, so you can carry it around like a backpack. Really, really convenient, that's my favorite. You're gonna have these snaps here on the side that come all the way undone across like so. So if you don't feel like using those backpack straps, you can actually tuck them away so they don't get in your way. Here on the side of the bag, we're also gonna have these carrying handles, so you can carry it around easily that way, with this strap here that you can lock down tight to make sure your stuff stays secure on the inside. And then we're gonna have this zipper across the top that opens up nice and wide, and as you can see, you have plenty of storage space there on the inside. As you can see, you have that nice flat design to the bottom here with a little padding on it, so it'll keep your stuff safe when you set it down. There's also some organizational zipper pockets here against the sides to keep your smaller things in place. So don't miss out on this awesome duffel bag here. It's from Fjällräven.